Hey Vikes! This week our fellow Vikings are doing the blind, deaf, and mute cooking challenge. Let's see how well they work together.
Up. Coat bottom of pan with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, yeah, that's good. Hey! Oops! Wait, combine cake mix, eggs whites, vegetable oil, and water. Like, ew!
Jaden, pull it.
Wait! Okay, go!
Let me pour it. I thought I was gonna pour it. What? No, let me pour it.
Okay, then pour it!
You can pour the cake mix. Oh, right there.
Oh!
Ew!
You got that.
I will be using this. Okay, where'd it gone?
Where's it?
On medium.
Okay.
Slow! Medium! On medium speed! He's talking to nobody!
I thought Jane was over there.
Let me
I
make
thought
sure
you guys
this
didn't
is
have
really
lights.
oiled up.
Right for what?
Get it really oiled up.
Yeah, you got that.
Is something funny about that? Oh no, you have to shut it off! Okay, yep. Wait, I need a spoon to scrape the thing with. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, that's not the pan.
Thank you.
What? Have you never baked a cake before? Why would you use it like that? You're gonna scrape the rest when you
don't even know what you're doing.
Sorry, I'll skip this song for her.
Oh, no, two questions.
Dead.
Okay, wait, you some move out of. I'm opening the oven. Stay at a safe distance. It's right there, you dum dum. I was literally looking for that for so long.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's going.
Right, J, K forever. Is this backwards?
No.
This is a really good use of stuff.
Huh? No,
Oh
it is
my
not the wrong way.
gosh.
It is not the wrong way. I promise you it's not the wrong way.
Cake.
You can't see the rabbit!
They're right, yeah, I get it.
Yep.
Put it up. Put the flame up. Okay, make a wish on 3. 1, 2, 3.